Hey mates, this is probably one of my best bits of work I've ever done. Well, maybe not the best, but I'm really excited by what I'm about to show you. So I've had this bike in for over a day, so a day and a half, and every now and then a customer brings it in on a trailer and he just literally just kits it out with everything. And this guy has had everything. So this is a double CanSmart order for an F750GS. Can also go on an 850GS. If you like this bundle, obviously I'm going to show you around it in a moment, but if you like this, there's a link down in the description below where you can go straight onto the website and purchase this and we'll get it dispatched to you immediately. But come and take a look. Actually, would it be easier if you do this and I'll tell you what to do? Yeah, it's safe.
Okay. Oh my God, it feels very wobbly. Are you sure?
Yeah, absolutely sure. Yeah, turn it on, press that on. Right, so as you can see everybody, the main G light, if you like, the BMW light is coming on in the middle. The D4s have come on at 20%. I don't know whether you can see the intensity on the DRLs just here. I don't think they're showing on camera. Oh yeah, they are. They're showing on camera just about there. So that effect you're seeing there is because of the frames per second on the camera, so ignore that a little bit. But the D4s are on and the DRLs are on. And also down here, we've got little D2s with amber lenses. Right, so if I can ask you, Roberta, to flash the flashers. You don't know where they are, do you? Right, that's it. So finger over the top and pull towards you. Yeah, you see that? Just there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so they're all flashing. Now, can you flick that 3 times for me? And there's your strobe effect. Can you press the hazards button? Can you see the red button for the hazards? Press that, yeah.
I know what that looks like.
So if you can see down here, you've got the amber D2s indicating, you've obviously got the OEM indicators indicating, and you've got the DRLs and the D4s. What's the word? Yeah. The other thing we've done with this is we've put the horn just down here. Oh, damn it. So the horn's just down here. And yes, she did make me jump with that. She's fine, don't worry. Okay, so the good thing with this is I haven't wired in the DRLs to the D4s, so they are all running independently. I've got these on full beam right now just so we can see the effect of switching them off. So if you press the cancel indicator button 3 times, 2, 3, you'll see the DRLs have turned off, but the D4s are still on. Now if you press it 3 times again, please. The DRLs have come back on. Now can you hold it in for over 3 or 4 seconds and we should see the D4s turn off. Okay, so with this setup, it obviously uses 2 CanSmarts. So it's a double CanSmart installation, and every single item you see on this bike is running on its own circuit and then paired up in the software. So the DRLs on the hand grips, they are on a circuit each. The D4s are on a circuit each, so that's 4 circuits. The D2s are also on their own circuits, that's 6 circuits. And then the sound bomb and the B6 rear light, that's also on its own circuit. That's all 8 circuits. The beauty of this is we can turn the D4s off but leave the DRLs on. So if the customer decides he wants to have his DRLs on at 20%, but he wants his D4s to be off for running lights but only come on full beam, well, he can do that. Or he could run them at 40% but have the DRLs at 20%, for instance. This is a really, really versatile bundle for this F750GS. It's pretty spectacular, and I think it looks really great on the bike as well. I'm sure you will agree.